Hey, good afternoon, everyone. We are going to present the topic take from the table in parliamentary procedure. Parliamentary procedure is a set of rules for conducting meetings efficiently, ensuring fair participation and orderly decision making. Um, ang parliamentary procedure is a set of rules, ethics, and customs that govern meetings of an assembly or organization, enabling orderly deliberation and decision making. And importance of motions in meeting. Motions are formal proposal that guide meeting discussions and decisions, helping helping to keep the process organized and focused. Um, by using motions in meetings can be um, can be effectively make and effectively meetings became more efficient and productive and democratic. Purpose of take from the table. Take from the tables allow a group to resume a discussion on a postponed item, ensuring unfinished business to address in a timely manner. Um, then it allows the assembly to resume consideration of a motion previously laid on the table. Ang take from the table is a discussion that needed to be rediscussed because it has been set aside or it has been a unfinished business. When to use take from the table? Use when an item needs further discussion after being tabled. Should be within the same meeting. Procedure. Proposer upon recognition. I move to take from the table the questions pertaining to purchase of new books from our library, Mr. Chair. It has been moved and seconded to take from the table the questioning pertaining to the purchase of new books from our library. Are you ready for the question? As many as in favor of the motion may say A. Those opposed may say nay. The motion is carried. If the motion is carried, the chair continues. The question pertaining to purchase of the new books from our library is now open for consideration. The secretary will please read the minutes of pertaining to the questions. Any remarks?
So here's is the basic rules governing the motion to take from the table. So mo niya mga rules na kailangan. So first, it cannot be made while someone has the floor. Second, it must be seconded. So kailangan seconded yun pag mag-motion ta og take from the table. And it is not debatable. It cannot be amended. And it requires only a majority vote. So a vote on this motion cannot be reconsidered. It takes precedent over all other subsidiary motions, and it yields to all privileged and appropriate incidental motions. And it applies to all main motion, amendments, and appeals. It can have no other motion applied to it except to withdraw. So here is the key point. So mo gid ang kailangan nga ibutang sa inyong mind no nga pag maggamit ta og take from the table, it is a motion used to resume discussion. Muna siya ang kailangan nato i-motion pag na mga gilay on the table. So may mga discussion na kailangan resume, no? And it can be made in the same day, and it was required in a majority vote. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mitsang.